Hi everyone, I'm Pratibha Khandelwal from Splashbox. So look what we have today. So we are giving up to 50% sale on these items. So let me show you each one. So this is a piggy bank, cute piggy bank. You can see how cute is this. So next, this is a unicorn piggy bank we have for girls, and we have colors in these as well. Next, this is a color pens. So these are the colors available in this. So next we have this makeup kit for the girls. This is a mermaid makeup kit. So here you have like eyeshadow, nail polish. Just zoom in. Yeah. So here we have eyeshadow, nail polish, bracelet, and lipstick. As you can see with these stickers. Next we have this cute coloring book. So for the children, whenever you travel with them, so instead of giving mobile, you can give this to them so that they will free they'll do some creative work with this. So here they are given the design in this with color pencils available in this. We have different themes of different designs available in this for the girls and boys. Now the next one is this for the girls, cute girls. This is a makeup model kit. So here you have this color pencils, glitter and glue with this makeup. So what you have to do is here there is a Barbie design given in this sheets. So the girls can do makeup in this. Also they can do coloring in this. So we have two sizes available in this one. The one is small and this one is big one. Now the next one is this cute eraser set. So these are the center eraser set. So what the girls who are below 5 years, you can gift to them. So we have the next one is this gift set in which you have tape, this diary, stickers, and you have a pen. So the girls who are up to 10 years or above, you can give it to them. Now the other one is this jungle theme, animal theme stationery kit. So you will get this pencil box in this, scale, mini scale and pencil, eraser, sharpener, everything given in this. So I have two themes available in this. So one is this and the other one is this. Now the next one is this cute bottle set with the spoon and fork given in this. This is a gift set, you can give it to girl child. And we also have lunch box with water bottle in this. So as you can see, now next one is this bamboo plate. I mean this is not plastic, but this is made of bamboo thing. So there is a spoon, fork and a plate given for your child. So we have colors in this. You can randomly pick any colors in this. Also we have this Peppa Pig plates available with us. We also have colors in this. Now the next one is washable marker pens. So whenever your child does anything on the mirror or anything, you can just wash it off, and it's very easy to use for your child. Here we have in this a cute doll given in this with the watercolor and sticker given in this with brush also. So let me just show you. It look like this. So again we have this canvas set. We have, I mean, the design given in this canvas with easel, watercolor and a brush given in this. We have different designs available in this thing. So whichever you want, we can give it to you. Now the next one is this tie and dye kit, as you can see here. So here are the content which are available. These, can you please zoom in? So these are the contents given in this, as you can see here. A t-shirt, mask and gloves are also given in this. So yeah, it's very good DIY kit. Also we have the small kit available in this. So in any of these products, if you like any of these products, if you want to purchase with us, you can DM us or WhatsApp us on the given number in the caption below, and my team will contact with you. Thank you so much.